You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, good start. Oh, no, come on. Oh, I went sideways. Oh, it's close. That TT. Oh, no, the Boxster's coming now. Come on, BMW, please. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Damn it. Oh.
The Porsche Boxster GTS still crossed the line first, completing the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The BMW Z4 M40i took 12.3 seconds, and the Audi TTS Roadster took 12.7 seconds despite benefiting from all-wheel drive.
Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in third gear. I'm going to count it in. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, BMW! Oh! That's it.
Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.